Hey, hi, my name is Vigneshwaran and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So, let's learn. Today we're going to learn the term bubble fatigue or bio-bubble fatigue. We'll try to understand what is bio-bubble, what is fatigue, then we'll make more sense with bubble fatigue. Yeah, let's get started. The term biobubble refers to a safe and a secured environment isolated from the outside world so that members within the bubble they are safe and have minimum risk of COVID-19 infection. Then the word fatigue. We'll begin with the pronunciation of it. Split that word into two parts. Fatigue. Fatigue. It's not fatigue. Yes, give that a good try. Now, the meaning of the word fatigue. Fatigue means a tiredness that is natural due to a physical or mental illness. Now, the first time when I came across the word bubble fatigue, it was when a player participating in IPL, he returned home due to bubble fatigue. In the last couple of days, few other players returned home because of bubble fatigue. So, what is this bubble fatigue? When a player he stays in a bio bubble for a long time, he gets tired. He gets mentally tired. It becomes more of a challenge there. Yes, that is what you call a bubble fatigue. Imagine you go to your work, you come back to home. Work, home, work, home, work, home. You do this for a long year. You don't go outside. You don't have no different food. The routine is all the same. Natural that you get exhausted. You get tired and you are fed up of things. That is a bubble fatigue. Okay, now if you have learned the word, go ahead, like this video, share this video to your friends so that they get to know what is a bubble fatigue. Thank you very much.